Pull it. Oh, does he want to get in? Bye-bye. Bye. Say cheese.
You should get this angle.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Grandpa's wagon.
You like it? Do you like it, honey? Huh? Are you going for a ride? You like it?
It's
You
nice
like
soft
that?
edges though.
Hold on. Oh, I'm going to run into the car. Oh, thank you, honey. Hold on. Oh, boy.
Be safe.
Hold on. Hold on. It's okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Yay. You like that, Anthony?
I like going a little bit more and then exciting.
Like it doesn't know if we can move.
Oh,
Whoa!
Whoa. You
Oh,
like it? Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay. All done, huh? Woo.
Oh my.
Oh, you want to pull it?